guys, what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing this month's Boxycharm base box. This month's theme is Gift of Glam. Just a little disclaimer before we get started, Boxycharm did send me this box to try. The first product in this month's Boxycharm box is this Algenist Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm. And this is gonna really tackle those fine lines, dark circles, crow's feet, wrinkles, all of the above, you name it. Puffiness, it's going to tackle all of that. And this also has a blend of red, brown, and green algae that is going to kind of enhance the skin's luminosity. And here is what it looks like on the inside of the package. It looks like it's super creamy. Let me just feel. Ooh, yeah, it is super creamy. I'm gonna love that. The Algenist Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm retails for $68. Next in this month's Boxycharm box, we have the Mud Masky Mineral Infused Double Cleansing Mask. And this is formulated with a blend of cleansing minerals as well as their own recipe for their Moroccan lava clay. And this is going to really restore the skin's pH levels, redness, and prevent acne. The Mud Masky Mineral Infused Double Cleansing Mask retails for $58. Next, we have the Wish Beauty Vanilla Bean Lip Mask. And this is a rich and buttery moisturizing lip mask that you can wear overnight, and it's going to deep penetrate into those lips. So that way there's no crustiness, there's no dryness. This is gonna be perfect for the winter, especially if you suffer from chapped, dry lips. The Wish Beauty Vanilla Bean Lip Mask retails for $32. Next, we have the Sofia Maybelle Satin Powder Highlight, and this is in the shade Peach Sangria. And you guys, I have already dropped this and it broke, unfortunately. But this is a gorgeous shade, and it is so super pigmented. Look at that. I actually have a little bit on my cheeks. It's not my right shade, so I just put a little bit, but I did wear this on my eyes as well. Super pretty. The Sofia Maybelle Satin Powder Highlight retails for $22. And last but not least, in this month's Boxycharm box, we have the Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Liner. And this is a vegan, fade-proof, waterproof liquid liner. I actually have it on my eyes today. And you can create thick lines or extremely thin lines with the tip. So I really love that. The Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Liner retails for $18. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Boxycharm box. Let me know in the comments which product was your favorite and which product you hope to get inside your Boxycharm box this month. Boxycharm is such a great way to find out about brands or products that you might not have known about before, and such a great way to get something delivered to your porch every single month. Charmers also get exclusive offers and awesome beauty deals. And if this box wasn't what you hoped for, there are also two other options, the premium and the luxe boxes. So there's an option for everyone at all different price ranges. I just want to say a big thank you to Boxycharm for sending me this box to try, and thank you guys for watching. Remember to live life in color, you guys. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.